Welcome to the Fax AI Requests and Spam Log Walkthrough. The admin console includes 3 specialized log tabs under PBX Management Logs that cover different types of inbound activity. The Fax Inbox shows received faxes with PDF conversion and email delivery status. AI Requests logs after-hours calls handled by AI agents, including caller information, urgency levels, and issue summaries. And the spam log provides a complete audit trail of spam scoring, showing exactly how each inbound call was scored, which rules matched, and whether the call was flagged as spam or allowed through. Together, these 3 logs give you visibility into fax reception, AI-handled interactions, and call quality protection. Let's sign in and start with the Fax Inbox. Here's the Fax Inbox tab under PBX Management Logs for Wicked Sprockets. This view shows all received faxes with the most recent first. The filter card at the top lets you narrow by date range, DID, number, and status. The main table shows each fax with columns for date and time, the DID that received the fax, the caller ID of the sender, page count, status badge, file size, whether the fax was emailed to the assigned recipient, and action buttons. Status badges are green for successfully received faxes and red for errors. Hovering over an error badge shows the failure reason, such as a T38 negotiation timeout or audio fallback failure. The page count and file size help you quickly identify large multi-page documents. Each received fax is automatically converted from TIFF to PDF and stored in S3 for reliable long-term access. Let's look at the details and actions available for each fax. The Actions column has 2 buttons. The eye icon opens the PDF in a viewer so you can read the fax directly in the browser, and the trash icon deletes the fax record along with its S3 file. The emailed column shows whether the system successfully forwarded the fax to the email address configured on the receiving DID. A green, yes badge means it was delivered, and a gray, no badge means email delivery was skipped or failed. Fax reception works through T38 protocol with an audio fallback. When a fax call arrives on a DID configured for fax detection, the system negotiates T38 for the highest quality, and if T38 fails, it falls back to audio-based fax reception. The received TIFF image is then converted to PDF using GhostScript, uploaded to S3, and emailed to the DID's configured fax recipient. You can filter by the error status to quickly find any failed fax receptions that may need attention. Now let's switch to the AI Requests tab. This log records every interaction handled by AI voice agents, after-hours support calls, sales inquiries, callback requests, and emergency escalations. The table shows each request with its ID, date, type, caller name, and company, phone number, a truncated issue summary, urgency level, status, and a view button to see the full details. The type column identifies the nature of the interaction: after hours, support for maintenance and service calls; after hours sales for leasing and product inquiries; callback for callers requesting a return call during business hours; and emergency for critical situations requiring immediate attention. Urgency. Badges use color coding: gray for normal, yellow for urgent, and red for emergency. Status badges show the request lifecycle: blue for new requests that haven't been reviewed, teal for acknowledged requests being worked on, green for resolved issues, and gray for requests marked as spam. Clicking View on any request opens the full detail view. The Request Details card on the left shows the record ID, timestamp, request type, urgency badge, current status, the retail agent ID that handled the call, the unique call ID for cross-referencing with CDR, and the email address the notification was sent to. The caller information card on the right shows everything the AI agent collected during the conversation: the caller's name, company, phone number, and email address. Below the caller info is the Update Status card, where you can change the request status, move it from new to acknowledged when you start working on it, then to resolved when it's handled. The issue summary card at the bottom contains the full description of what the caller needed, as captured by the AI agent. This summary is generated from the conversation. The AI extracts the key details, the problem description, and any specific requests the caller made. The Back to List button returns you to the main request list. Now let's look at the Spam Log tab. This is the spam scoring audit trail. Every inbound call that goes through spam scoring gets a record here showing exactly how it was evaluated. The filter bar at the top has date range fields, a search box for caller or DID number, and filter and reset buttons. The header shows the total record count. The main table shows each scored call with columns for date and time, caller number, DID, the total spam score, the threshold that was configured for that DID. The result: green clean badge for calls below the threshold, and red spam badge for calls that exceeded it. The action taken, such as reject or send to voicemail, the data source showing where the scoring data came from, and the rules matched column showing exactly which scoring rules fired and how many points each contributed. This is the definitive record for understanding why any specific call was treated the way it was. The rules matched column is where the real detail lives. Each entry shows every scoring rule that fired for that call, with the rule code, the actual value found, and the points added or subtracted. For a clean call, you might see attestation equals A for minus 15 points, meaning stir, shaken verified the call with full attestation, plus line type equals mobile for minus 10 points, and MCC equals United States for minus 5. These negative scores push the total well below the threshold. For a spam call, you'll see the opposite. Attestation equals C for plus 20 points, meaning the carrier couldn't fully verify the caller. Nomorobo equals 1 for plus 30 points, meaning the number is in the known spam database. And line type equals VoIP for plus 15 points. The source column tells you where the data came from. Lookup means a real-time API call was made to score the number. Cache means the system used previously stored results. And carrier means only the carrier-provided stir, shaken data was used. The action column shows what happened to flagged calls. Reject means the call was dropped. And voicemail means it was sent directly to voicemail instead of ringing the extension. That covers the Fax Inbox, AI requests, and spam log tabs in the admin console. Here's a quick recap. The Fax Inbox shows all received faxes with T38 and audio fallback support, automatic TIFF to PDF conversion, S3 storage, and email delivery, with status badges and a built-in PDF viewer. AI requests logs every after-hours interaction handled by AI voice agents, including caller details, issue summaries, urgency levels, and a status workflow for tracking resolution. The spam log provides the full audit trail for spam scoring. Every inbound call's score, the threshold it was measured against, which rules matched and how many points each contributed, the data source, and the action taken. All 3 tabs support filtering and are available per tenant for focused review. Check the documentation link below for the complete reference on spam scoring configuration and rule management.